My name is Julius Sarkis, Wireless Power Product Marketing Manager here at IDT. Today, I'll be going over P9242 Wireless Power Transmitter Module, which is part of our 15-watt mass market kit. The 15-watt mass market kit is a comprehensive, turnkey, easy-to-use reference design for rapid prototyping. Both transmitter and receiver are compact form factor with fully tested bill of materials, taking the guesswork out of the component selection. The kit is comprised of the P9242 transmitter and the P9221 receiver. The P9242 is a new, highly integrated 15-watt magnetic induction wireless power transmitter that is fully compliant to the WPC 1.2.2 specification. It supports WPC MPA2 coil configuration. The transmitter is a highly compact solution with integrated drivers for external power FETs, integrated step-down regulator, and a current sense amplifier. In addition, it has an embedded 32-bit ARM processor providing flexibility and programmability while reducing the power in the standby and sleep modes. It also has selectable LED pattern and supports I2C interface to be able to read information such as voltage, current, frequency, and temperature. One of the key performance of the 9242 is the efficiency. The DC to DC system peak efficiency is 87% at 15 watts. The DC to DC is the efficiency from 9242 all the way up to the applied load or the 9221 receiver. The transmitter is available in QFN 6x6 48-pin package, and it is rated for -40 to +85 degrees temperature. The P9242 wireless power transmitter evaluation board is a 4-layer board with 1 ounce of copper used on all layers, with a board thickness of 1.7 millimeters and smallest capacitor and resistors of 0201 size. The total active area is 2,430 millimeters squared. This concludes the P9242-R wireless power transmitter overview. For more information, please visit IDT.com. I am Julius Sarkis, and thank you for listening.